Hi, welcome back to the Drummond channel. It's Sunday, April 27th, and I want to look at Bitcoin. It's been a while, and of course there's a lot of talk about Bitcoin. So let's see what Drummond Geometry has to say about the Bitcoin market. Our focus time frame is the middle of the weekly chart, and the first thing I want to point out is this dotted line is the quarterly PL dot, and it's holding, held on close. And now it's pushing higher, pushing up off of weekly PL dot last week and quarterly PL dot push. Broke right through the monthly PL dot. And now for this week, we have 3 levels of PL dot underneath this market. So expecting there's a lot of support here. And do we expect it to go higher? And where is it going to run into? Where's it going to run into some resistance? Looking at the monthly, the higher time period, we can see the resistance area just up ahead. See a little bit more clearly here on the weekly chart, and then on the daily, it's way up here. So that is the next target area for this market. That's up above 100,000 again, 105, I believe, 100 to 105. And what's the near term saying? Are we headed straight there, or are we going to see this market maybe pull back into a weekly PL dot refresh? From that very strong move up last week, maybe this is the weekly live PL dot, and then come back in here to find the comfort of the PL dots and gather some more energy, then push higher. So right now, there's 2 scenarios. It continues higher, or it comes back for a retracement, or I suppose we could go sideways for the whole week, but probably the least likely of the 3 scenarios. As always, we look at the lower time period for evidence if an area of support or resistance is strong or weak. And we can see that's the main channel line that I drew, connecting 2 PL dots. And then we can draw another one. And you can see that the daily PL dots are starting to roll over ever so slightly. And that could be the indication we're looking for that we're going to come down and get that PL dot refresh on the weekly level, and it's somewhere down in this area in the 90,000 range. So that's kind of what I'm looking at this point, but I still think we're pushing higher, and the next target area again is way up there around 105. I'd like to show one more chart I thought was interesting. The black line is the weekly NASDAQ, and the white lines, or the white chart, is the weekly Bitcoin chart. And they look like they're moving pretty much in sympathy to each other. The talking heads are starting to make a case that the NASDAQ is overvalued and prices may fall. So do we expect these 2 markets to decouple? This goes back to 2019, and they're fairly closely correlated on this chart. So we'll see if the marriage holds up. Will we see Bitcoin break out above NASDAQ there, or will it start? So we'll keep you posted on that. But right now, as I said, I think there's a lot of support in Bitcoin. Got a weekly, daily, and a monthly PL dot pushing higher. Quarterly PL dot pushing higher. And the next level of resistance is at quarterly and monthly envelope top. That's it for this. Hope you have a good trading week. If you have any questions, please let us know.